Hey guys, so today we have a wire cutter for a cake, and I'm gonna show you how to make this work since this is not like this. It's supposed to look like this. Okay, so first we're gonna take off the white pegs, the plastic bottoms that's holding these wires in place. Be careful not to lose them. And we're going to take out one wire since we will only be needing one wire. So take this one out and we're going to bend it like this. It's pretty strong. It looks like this. And then you're going to squeeze the wire back in. And so we have this. Put the legs back on. It looks like this. It clips on to the sides right here. And you could adjust it after you're done. So, see how it's freestanding now? It works like that.